All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back at it again. I have Edgewater on me today. Special guest, Jeremy Renner. He's gonna give me a boom. Boom! I got my boom. All right, here we go. Stay tuned. Boom, baby. Nice. We're in it. Woo! All right. Boom. Boom. Number one, baby. Boom. Very perfect. Now we'll just walk back up like this. Number two. Woo. Boom. Boom, baby. Look at this guy doing boards, running boards solo. Woo. El Capitan. That's my name. Boom. My boom. That's purple. 3, yeah, boom! All right, number 4, right? Oh no, it's a good one. Jeez, yeah, he is.
Yeah, if a fish is fighting you like that, Rich, you just gotta tell him it's okay, I'm a doctor. Oh, yeah? And they'll calm down, yeah. 5, 6.
And then number 6, boom, baby! And a heck of a mess of a tangle. We're gonna get on foot for it. Get wild! All right, this is yours. All right, number 7. Oh yeah. Nice. All right, what number is this? Number 8. All right, number 9. Quick word. All right, that's work. Got it? Nice. All right. Number 9. Boom. All right, boom, number 11. Number 12, and we're down. Boom, baby. There, she ran to school of them real quick, yeah. Nice, whip them in. All right. 14 on the reel end. Throwing her back. Bye-bye. Nice, all right. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a wrap. We got our 12 walleye. We were going home. We got them before 1 o'clock. Flicker shad.
25.50.
What were those? 11.
11s. 11.
No, they're the small one side. 9. They were 9s. Yeah.
9s and 11s.
Flicker shad 9s and 11s. Yep. So that's what we got. Boom, we're out of here. Boom. Thanks for watching. Boom. Boom. There you go.